you guys? We here. Yeah.
So that's the thing. So for you, okay, are you gonna?
Should I do an empty apartment tour right now?
I'm gonna ask you.
I should do.
Are you gonna do an empty apartment tour?
I should do it.
Wait, you know what I mean?
I should do it right now while I'm already cute, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna do it? You guys. Dramatics. Okay, so we are in my brand new space. I seen this apartment on a Wednesday. I applied Thursday morning, got approved, and today's Friday, and I'm moving in today. I acted real quick. I'm real impulsive in general, but just the way my sanity is set up, my little apartment could not cut it. So here's my apartment. Right here is just, it's like a little furnace, so we don't even gotta go look in there. Okay, so I love the elongated hallway. So if you guys don't know, I'm coming from like a studio 1-bedroom. So it was a 1-bedroom apartment, but it's technically a studio. So right here I have an actual hallway. You know, that was like on my checklist. So right here I'm gonna put like some picture frames or like a key thing, but y'all know I sleep with my keys in my room just because the way my conspiracy theories are set up. But I gotta put something over here. Over here, guys, check this out. I have an actual closet, okay? And I got shelving, and then you guys get a little closet space. I'll probably just put like my suitcases there, everyday coats, you know, washer, dryer units, in-house. Y'all gotta teach me how to use this so I don't start breaking stuff, right? So I have this washer, dryer unit. There was another smaller 1-bedroom that it was like an actual laundry room in there, but it took away from the rest of the apartment. I was like, it ain't that neat. My dirty clothes don't need a special house. Okay, so guys, here is the kitchen. So, over here, cabinetry for days. I don't even have enough like food to cover all this stuff. Like, I'm gonna put some shoes or something here. Like, I got more shoes and I do seasonings and meats. So my shoes, if they didn't have,
she said more shoes than cereal.
Just the basic standard stainless steel appliance kitchen, the cheap kind. It's okay. We see what they did there. I don't have an ice maker. The apartment I have has an ice maker, but I really don't be eating ice anyway. Why do y'all care about the ice? Anyway, so over here, more cabinet space, drawers, stove. You know, y'all be getting real intricate with y'all. Y'all be like, you push this button, the stove comes on, and you push this, the microwave works. Wait, you have the microwave? Okay, we're good. Okay, some more cabinet space, but my little baby showed me this, and she was like, look, you can put cornstarch in here.
A whole cabinet with just cornstarch.
Yeah, and she's like 5, like, how do you feel about cornstarch? So yeah, that was really cute. I never use washer machines.
Dishwasher, honey. Dishwasher
machines. Okay, so over here, you guys, there's more, like, just the storage alone. Storage alone, you get an A++++. So here's like the living room. Oh, this is my first time actually like standing in here to see like what it is. This corner I'm gonna turn into like a little mini office. Yeah, I think that's what I'm doing here. I think I'm gonna literally put like a little nook, like a little, right? Don't you think? I need to have some type
so, like I said, if you set yourself up a small desk right there, you'll be fine. And low key,
be an office too, though.
I was gonna say low key. All you really need to put there is your ring light, and you work. You know what I mean? You work right there.
So I shouldn't make it a.
I would make it more like studio-esque vibe. So like I said, maybe your ring light, maybe just something like picture cute type, you know?
Because I could technically totally have that out of this.
Yeah, and not even have to get another piece of furniture.
We'll see how I feel. It's productive. Okay, guys. So in the hallway.
Guess what? More closets. We love to see it. We love to see it.
Place with literally one closet. This has been a lifesaver for me. So this closet alone, y'all, I can't wait to just fill it up with like hair stuff, brushes, just stupid.
She's just gonna get stupid stuff to put in there.
Just put stuff in here. What goes in a hot closet?
So your towels would usually go there. Towels. Oh, you have a space for that too. All right. So yeah, girl, your linens you could put in there. Your, you know, if you have extra,
Shoes.
like for you shoes. Yeah, but you got space for your shoes in your in there, low key. Okay, then yeah, there you go. You got a shoe closet in the living room.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, coming over here, you guys.
Hey, 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 hey. This is the praise break right here, y'all, in case you didn't know.
Okay.
I'm weak.
Here is my bathroom. Okay, so you have your standard toilet. Oh, this is a good little floor in here. Let's see what they do with the floor.
Check
You
out the
guys,
fit.
more? Yeah. Okay.
I'm weak.
So you guys, here is way more stuff, right? Like I can put my towels in there, toothpastesses, towels, washcloths, all that stuff can go in there. I love to see it. Here, I would say super cute. I don't know, more stuff. Here's the biggest downfall of this place, okay? I wanted a tub. I'm that girl, I wanted to sit in the tub. I'll be like, ew, you're sitting in your own dirty bath water, but if you wash your butt, your bath water won't be that dirty. So I don't have a bathtub. Again, my other apartment didn't have a bathtub. I haven't taken a bath, except like, and I don't take baths at hotels either, so I haven't taken a bath in forever. But this is a pretty spacious shower for what it is. It gets the job done. So, that does that. Can you bring the camera on in here to show the shower? So this is the shower. So right here, guys, I want to have a little basket because I've seen it in the little model home. They have like a little basket of stuff. And then they have like the little cute towels right there. Then they have like a picture. So I'm gonna do that.
I like that.
There. I'm gonna put something here. I want to really take the time to put stuff on my walls. I didn't do that in my last apartment. I want to do that this time. Over here, I want to get those like floatable shelves, and I'm put stuff on.
Yeah.
Just stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna come in here where the babies is at. Little babies inside of our content, filming and taking pictures and doing stuff. So this is my bedroom. I don't like carpet at all. So this is carpet. That's another downfall, but we just gonna go with that.
Look at the space.
Yeah. Oh, you said you looked at the shoes?
I said the space. Oh wow, she said the shoes. But yeah, no, they do match the fit.
Okay, so yeah, that's that. I'm trying to decide if I want to put my wall mirror here or if I want to put it like over there. Yeah, I haven't decided. I don't even know where my bed's gonna go. I have a big queen size bed and it's really tall, so we'll figure that out too. It's all trying to come to me. My TV's probably gonna go on this wall and hang it up there. Hopefully I get that done literally like tomorrow. Tonight would be better. But
Closet action, y'all.
yeah. So here's my closet. I don't feel like my closet is any bigger than the closet I currently have, technically. But because I have so much other closet space, it will be bigger. Because right now in my closet I have stuff that.
And you have actual like real, you know what I mean, shelving. Unlike how the other space was more like nooks and stuff.
All my jeans and shorts will probably go there. I gotta find what to do with my shoes.
So you have your shoe closet out there, but I'm telling you, get some of those little like shoe bins and just.
Where? Right here?
Yeah.
Like on top of here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What if I got like one to go?
And then and I was gonna say, and then like your everyday shoe, you know what I mean? The little quick one, you just line them right up there on the floor against the wall.
You guys want to help me with that?
No, yeah, that's.
I really need to make my shoes feel loved, you know? Like,
Yeah.
I want my shoes to have like, I don't want to.
Y'all, she doesn't want them to feel neglected.
Yeah, I love shoes. And then, yeah.
I love these style doors, I swear.
You do? I'm not.
Like, the fact that you don't have to do, you know what I mean? The fact that you don't have to, do too much.
Opening and closing is doing too much.
Turn.
You don't want to turn it?
You just.
I don't know. For me, it's this part right here. Like, is it shut all the way? You know, like, it be the little, and then when it bounces back open.
You're like, I feel you. Again, her conspiracy theories.
Exactly. So it'd be like, who didn't open my closet? You know, that's. But yeah, you guys. So this is my new. It counts as luxury, right?
There's
under the building.
Yep, in the garage.
Under the building. I'm gonna put my little chairs there. Should I get new ones? I feel like I need new ones.
I feel like they're white. I I feel like you just want new ones because it's a new space.
Yeah.
But I don't think you need them though.
Alright. We'll see. So yeah, you guys, you don't gotta go home, but you gotta get on home.
She said, thanks for coming to MTV Cribs.
Goodbye. Keep on going. Don't let the door hit you. The Lord split you.